Hey, Bill Gross here, the LA Probate Expert.com, with an update on what it's like to list a home and sell it in this market. You know, I've been in this business since 1986 and I've been involved in thousands of transactions. The market has never been like this for sellers of homes. You can sell a home with less work, less cost, and more money in your pocket than ever before. Great article in the Orange County Register, link below, that makes 3 points on the subject. Number one, you can sell your home without pre-sale requirements. In the past, you had to spend some time cleaning up, fixing up, improving the property. Not necessary today. You will not get back for any of the money you invest other than cleaning up things and repairing things that are obviously broken. But I wouldn't let that have you miss out on the opportunity. I don't know how long it lasts. Rates could go down more and increase intensity, but they also go up and the whole thing can stop. So I would say that if you're ready to sell the property, let's get the market as is. Also, no need to spend money on staging a home today. Number one, it's thousands of dollars you're never going to get back. Buyers today have seen a bunch of houses, they see them online, they're ready to go. Number two, we use virtual staging now. Out of our pocket, we do it just to upgrade the photos. No need to spend thousands of dollars. You don't need the time or the money. Second point to know is it's going to move very quickly. We try to prepare our sellers ahead of time, get the disclosures done ahead of time, walk you through what's going to happen. But literally, before we get the house even on the market as we would in the past, we're getting offers, offering over the asking price and the maximum we can get given the current lending limitations in the market we're in. It's going to move quickly, so let's be ready to move. And our job is to help you with that, put a game plan together so you're ready to go. Number three is you're going to find stiff competition in the house you're going to buy. You have to have a game plan in mind. Now, if you already own it, great. If you're going to rent for a year or two, great. If you're going to buy something into the market, you'll be a cash buyer when you go there if we structure it properly. And you will get your house in the market here, so you are that cash buyer. And in today's market, you can sell the house with a rent back period to give you time to shop for the next house as long as you're realistic. So let's get together, put a game plan together. I'm Bill Gross, the LA Probate Expert.com. If you have any questions, call me, text me, email me, 310-210-0008. Let's make this a great week.